you ever wanted to put an image for your Canvas dashboard card for your course, you can do so by clicking on the course's name to open it, navigating down to Settings, and then choosing the course image right here. This will open the File Explorer. If you already have some saved in your Canvas course, it'll load those as well. You can click on Upload Image, find the photo that you want, and put it in there. What you might notice though is it doesn't necessarily always come out the way you want. So you can create a custom image using Google Draw. So I'm going to launch my Drive here, drive.google.com. Go to New, More, Google Drawings. The first thing you want to do is adjust the page setup so that it will load in Canvas properly. So if I go to File, Page Setup, change this to Custom. If you do 7.3 by 4 inches, it'll work perfectly for a Canvas course image. Here is your draw space. You can put whatever you'd like in here. So if I put in, I'm a little obsessed with my dog, so maybe if I put those in there. If I put in some text. You can adjust the fonts, the size, all of that fun stuff however you'd like. As long as the content you put fits on this card that you've adjusted, it will load fine in your Canvas course. Once you've created your card the way you like, you can save it in your Drive account, and I would recommend you download it as a JPEG. Save it somewhere on your computer where you'll be able to find it. I'll just save mine to my desktop. I'll just call it Canvas Card and say Save. When you click on it to open it, you'll understand it looks a little bit cleaner. Once you've saved it on your computer, you can come back to Canvas. I can remove this one and instead choose that new one I just created, upload the image, find it on my desktop, and then just update your course details down at the bottom. What shows here also shows on students' dashboards. So when they click on their dashboard and they see your course, they also see it just how you created it.